How to see deleted follow request on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now wait for some time and go to account center. Now scroll down. Now tap on your information and permissions. Now tap on download your information. Again wait for some time. Now tap on download or transfer information. Now select your Instagram account and tap on next. Now select some of your information. Now wait for some time. Now scroll down. Now under connection, select followers and following. Now tap on next. Now tap on download to device. Now select the date range. Now tap on create files. Now wait for some time. Now once your file is created, scroll down. Now you can find this option like download. Now tap on download and then you will be able to view the deleted follow request. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.